Okay, in this lesson we're going to learn to play a basic blues progression. If you're getting into playing the blues, this is a place to start, and if you want to play lead guitar, this is also a great place to start. It gives you something to play over while you're learning the pentatonic scale and the other scales. So here we go. If you don't know a basic rock style power chord, check out my other video on playing power chords. You need to know that to begin with to play this. So the blues progression is going to use a E power chord, which is open here down on the low 6th string, and an A power chord, which is open on the 5th string, and then a B power chord, which you can do a couple places. We'll start off by doing it here, 5th string root power chord. Okay, you're probably going to want to use your 1st and 2nd finger because you're going to be doing that kind of number with each of them. So the first. Okay, so here's an up close shot of me playing the stuff. I'm going to play through it once and then I'll describe some of it. But basically, it's the 3 chords: the E, the A, and the B on the 2nd fret. So. So that's a simple form of it. There's a lot of ways you can embellish playing blues chord progressions, but we're not going to get into that now. We basically just want to get the feel of it. Initially you're going to want to count while you're playing through it, and then at one point you'll be able to feel playing these blues progressions without counting them. So I'll play through it again, and I'll try and point out some chords and whatnot as we go along. So here we go. Start off with E. 1, 2, 3, 4, and A. 2, 3, 4. E. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. E. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. E. 2, 3, 4, A. 2. Turnaround. You initially could do it by just doing 5th, 6th, and 7th frets on the low E string. But the chord is actually like this. It's 5th fret on the E string, 4th fret on the A string, and 5th fret on the D string. And you just do that same when you slide it up. There's plenty of other ones you can do, but this is also a good start. It's not too hard to do this chord. So let's try the progression one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get into some of that on the next lesson. So that was a basic blues progression. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email and I'll respond as often as I can.